Y'all, not gonna lie, that little side was not trying to stick, so I just ended up cutting it off because, like, it just wouldn't stick. So I just cut it off. But, we made it work. Like, you can't even, like, her hair wasn't in the way when I put the wig on and anything like that. Made sure it was straight. But, yeah, y'all, like, you see, I'm brushing it back now, like, trying to get her edges out the way. But the cap just wouldn't lay down. Okay, so I had to make it work. And y'all peep the nails. Like, I did my nails and I did her nails. So y'all, at the end of this video, I most definitely, because I did her nails before I did her hair. She had a event at her job all week, so I'm gonna be changing her hair up and everything like that. But y'all, at the end of the video, I'm gonna show what her nails look like. They were so freaking cute. She had went to the Chinese shop, and you know how they be, y'all. They messed her up. Like, they was fat and the polish was peeling. When I say I brought her nails back, like, y'all, I wish I had a before picture. I'm gonna try to see if she had a picture of what her nails looked like before, because I definitely gotta show y'all. Like, I brought them nails back to life. Bling bling. Okay, y'all, let's go. Alright, you guys, so here I had plucked a little bit of her wig, but then I thought about it and I was like, I should definitely glue this first and then put the band on to make it melt in and then start plucking and parting and everything. So I laid her wig first and then I went back in and plucked and then parted it and, styled it how she wanted. For this style, she wanted a middle part. So I parted it, hot combed it and plucked a little bit, and yeah. Alright, y'all. So as you can see here, I'm pulling out her baby hairs, and then I'm gonna pluck a little more. I don't know if I did it in this video, but I did pluck a little more, just so when I do her baby hairs, you know, they look better. And I melted it, you know, and then I did her baby hairs when I took the band off, when that, you know, the lace was melted in, and I just put the band back on after I did the edges so that they could be melted in as well. Okay, y'all, so it's time for the baby hair. So I did cut her lace off after I took the band off, which I kind of wish that I would have cut the lace first. But I do see some people who cut it after they take the band off. But, you know, it's fine. I'm learning, so I just kind of, you know, take things from different people as I go. And this is only like my fourth time doing the wig and thaw or whatever, and I mainly do it on myself and my mom. So, you know, but it did turn out really cute, and she liked it, so that's all that mattered. And guys, I did notice, like, after I'm watching the video, like, to edit, I could have plucked a little more in where her edges are, you know, to make it look more natural. But she was kind of in a rush because she was already, like, an hour late to work. So, and you know, she has the events. So I was just rushing, y'all. But it's a learning experience. I think it kind of still turned out pretty cute. It just could have had a little more detail to make it look more natural. But, you know. Alright, y'all, so we are finally to the end. So I just put the band on after I had done her edges, and I let her do her lashes because she wanted to do her lashes, but she ended up not wanting to use the ones that I had for her because she said she wanted hers a little longer for her event. So she said she had some in the car. She took those for backup, so she didn't end up doing them. So I just wet her hair, you know, to make it look good for the video because it was really dry. But then I took off the band, and that was the reveal. Alright, y'all, so this is what it looked like when I took the band off.